toughest match of my career. It's not often we get to play 3 full sets. Sometimes it's a 10-point tiebreaker. So just that in and of itself, going the distance, playing 3 full sets, 4 hours on the court, easily my toughest win. But I'm happy that I was able to get the job done tonight. And, big up to Chambers for a big fight.
Unemployment probably has its benefits because the last month and a half I've been able to really put in some work. And I think it showed in this tournament. I was 2 points away from beating the 4th seed in Class 1. I beat Rudy Jackson for the first time in 6 matches. And, the scoreline was comfortable. And then this final against Seretse, I think it tells me that if I can just get some more time to put in some work, then I could really create some damage before the year is done.